The voltage Vs or Vth is defined as the total voltage across the terminals A and B. Then there is an open circuit between them, that is without the load resistor RL connected. Okay. To find the equivalent voltage, okay, so that is Vs or Vth. So what I will do, we need to reconnect the two voltages back into the circuit, and as Vs or Vth equal to VAB, the current flowing around the loop is calculated as I equal to V by R. In first step, what we have did, we just removed the load resistance and made the LHS side and RHS side as a short circuit. Okay, so then we find out the RT value. We got the RT value as 6.67 ohms. The second step is, so replace that voltage sources, that is in LHS side the 10 volt, then in RHS side 20 volt. So we have to reconnect the two voltages across the terminals V, A, B. Okay, that is Vs equal to VAB. Then current formula is I equal to V by R. I means current, V means voltage, then R means resistance. Here, how I have to find out the voltage value? So I have to subtract the 20 volt with the 10 volt, that is 20 minus 20 volt minus 10 volt divided by resistances 20 ohm resistance plus 10 ohm resistance. Okay, so then I will get the value 0.33 amps. Current is measured in terms of amps. The current of 0.33 amperes, that is 330 milliampere. If we 0.33 amperes is converted into milliamperes, it becomes 330 milliamperes. Is common to both resistors, so that voltage drop across the 20 ohm resistor or the 10 ohm resistors can be calculated as voltage across AB is equal to 20 minus 20 ohm into 0.33 amperes. Okay, VAB, that is voltage across AB terminals. So 20 minus 20 into 0.33 amperes, so we'll get the value 13.33 6.33 volts. The Thevenin's equivalent circuit would consist of a series resistance of 6.67 ohm and a voltage source of 13.33 volt with the 40 ohm resistor connected back into the circuit we will get. Okay, so whatever we have the total voltage, that is 13.33 volt. So 13.33 volt, what we have get the VAB value. So VAB value we have 13.33 volt. Okay, then so I have the total resistance, that is RS or RTH as 6.67 ohm. Okay, then place the load resistance 40 ohm as it is in the third step. Okay, so whatever the load resistor we have in the third step, we have to replace it as it is. Then afterwards, then again find out the value of current, that is I equal to V by R, that is V equal to voltage across AB, that is 13.33 volt, then resistance 6.67 ohm plus RL, that is 40 ohm. 6.67 ohm plus 40 ohm. Okay, then I will get the value 13.33 volt divided by 6.67, 13.33 voltage divided by 6.67 ohm plus 40 ohm, total is equal to 0.286 amperes or amps, that is current value. 0.286 is the current value flowing in the circuit. So this is the way to find out the value of current and voltage and resistance values, that is VTH or VS, then RTH or RS, and current in the circuit with the help of Thevenin circuit. Thank you. Further we will discuss in the next class.